Yusuf is very naughty boy. Every day his parents picks him up from school and drop at home. After school he spends his time with his grandfather. Today Yusuf was very excited. He ran to his grandfather and said it was a wonderful day. Then grandfather said, what happened today? You look so happy. Today I became the hero of the class. Wow, what did you do? Today dad came to school and shouted my princey in front of the class. Everyone thinks that my father is rock star. Grandfather said, shouted at whom? Your classmate? Then Yusuf said, oh grandfather, shouted at my principal. Yusuf, it's not the way to call a teacher. Then Yusuf said, everyone calls him princey. But he is your teacher and your principal too. This is not the way to call your teacher. What did your father say? Dad said, how dare you scold my child? We don't scold our child. Who are you to scold? Don't ever try to scold my child. Otherwise, it will be very bad. After some time, Yusuf's father came from work. Then Yusuf's grandfather said, let's go out and have a walk. In the way, a cycle man crashed with Yusuf's grandfather. Then the cycle man said, hey you old man, are you blind? Father said, hey, is this the way you talk to your elders? Then grandfather smiled a little. Then father said, I'm trying to control my anger and you're smiling here. Today's generation don't even know how to respect their elders. Then grandfather said, do people only need to behave themselves only on the road? Then father said, what do you mean? What you said to the principal, was it right? Imagine how he felt. But dad, do you remember how he scolded Yusuf for no reason? Grandfather said, no teachers will scold a student without any reason. He shouted the principal in front of Yusuf. Imagine how embarrassed had Yusuf felt. But dad, times have changed. Oh really? Then for the man on the road was also changed. Then Yusuf's mother said, I will apologize myself to the principal. No, it's my fault. I will apologize to the principal. The next day Yusuf's father went to the principal's room and said, I apologize myself for being rude. I know you care about students. Then principal said, it's okay, I understand. This is how grandfather taught how to respect your teachers. So, what is teacher? What's the meaning of the word teacher? Is teacher that person who comes to school, gives you subjective knowledge, earns money and go back? Is teacher only a human? Have you ever thought, who is teacher? What's the importance of teacher? What's the value of teacher? Teacher is that person who converts you from an omnivorous animal into a human being. Teacher is that person who makes your life successful. Teacher is that person who makes you intelligent from an illiterate person. The great persons gave a definition of teacher. Teachers are the clouds of knowledge. It means the clouds are the teachers and the rain is the knowledge. And students, they are the puddles of soil. In which way the puddles carries the water, in that way students carries the knowledge. Everyone knows that how teacher is important. I don't need to say that, but the point is how much we have gave respect to our teachers. We didn't give the respect how much he should get. He did not care about that. The teaching of a teacher is a noble work. Teachers play a very crucial role in your life. Do you know, the Caliph of Islam, Hazrat Ali radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, if anyone teaches me a small letter of knowledge, I am his servant. Sikandar Alexander the Great, a person asked him a question, why do you value your teachers? Why do you give priority to your teachers as your parents? Alexander gave the answer and he said, my parents are those person who has brought me in the world and my teachers are those person who has brought me from world to universe. This is the importance of teacher. But everyone is lacking this, even though you and me. Respecting teachers is one of the most important characteristics we should have. He is a person who takes you from ground floor to the 10th floor. He is the lift of your life. In our life, we spent 15 years with teachers, but In these 15 years, teachers changes, class changes, but the word, the value doesn't change. Of course, we have been seeing that students changes the teacher's name. For an example, teacher is coming towards the class. Several times he eats sweets, so everyone kept his name Rasgulla. When he is coming towards the class, everyone is saying, "Hey, sit down, sit down, sit down. Rasgulla is coming." Hey bro, do teachers come to class so you could change their names? If someone has a funny quality, you should keep their nicknames. It's very, very bad. If you irrespect or insult your teachers anytime, I'm giving you the guarantee, your life will be destroyed. Search in your classmates, those who are so educated, those students are so educated, but they don't respect their teachers. Search that after graduation, how they are. Their positions are so bad. You are walking on the road. Across you, your teacher was crossing. You are just simply walking and going, but you didn't give a salam. This is irrespect of teachers. I will tell you a story of one of my teacher. His name is Kausar Ahmed. He teaches us Quran. In his childhood, one day he was crossing on the road. My teacher saw that his teacher was carrying so many bags. He went to the teacher and took all the bags and said, "I will reach you to your home." Then both of them were walking. After he reached his teacher's home, his teacher said, "I have taught many students. I have got many students in my life, but do you know, I didn't get a student like you." This is respect of teachers. I hope you will respect your teachers. Never make laugh of them. Never change their names. See you in the coming episode.